All right, part number 3. Now we're going to do the balancing equations. I'm going to move you over here so we can use the whole board. And the first one you're supposed to do is synthesis. So on synthesis, remember synthesis, all you're going to do is combine them. So we have Mg plus N2. All right, so to combine these, we're going to put them together. Don't bring any numbers across. So there's my arrow, so I'm going to bring across Mg and N and put them together. Now once they are together, now I'm going to have to do ionic charges. Well, Mg is plus 2, N is negative 3. So I'm going to crisscross those. So I go 3 and 2. And there's my formula, Mg, 3, and 2. Now what I have to do is now I got to balance this. And if you remember doing the circles, this is, there's 1 Mg plus, I got 2 N's. That's equal to 3 Mg's and 2 N's. So I got 1 Mg, 3 Mg, so I need some more Mg's over here. There's 2, there's 3 of them. N's, I got 1, 2, 1, 2, there's my final answer. Now I go through and write down my numbers out front. 1, 2, 3 circles, make a big 3, 1, leave it blank, 1, leave it blank, and there's the balanced equation for the first one. All right, go on to the next one. Another synthesis one. We got Ba plus O2. So we bring 2 of them across, don't bring any numbers. Ba and O, put them together. Now I do charges. Now, Ba is plus 2, O is negative 2. Those cancel each other. So that's going to be my formula. Now I just got to do my circles. So I've got a Ba plus, I got 2 O's. That's equal to a Ba and an O. So I got 1 Ba and 1 Ba. Got 2 O's and 1 O. Oh, so I need another one of this guy. There's my 2 O's, but now I need another Ba. So that gives me my 2 Ba's and 2 Ba's. So now I put in my numbers. I got a 2, 1, and a 2. And there's my final answer. All right. I'm going to pause for 1 second, clean my board a little better, and we'll be right back. Okay, let's continue on. Decomposition. For decomposition, we got GaF3 forms. So for decomposition, we're going to tear these apart. Don't bring any numbers across. So we've got Ga plus F. So I've separated them by a plus now. Now all I got to do is decide are either one of those diatomic. Are those Ga diatomic? No. Remember those diatomic did so 7 to make a 7 on the periodic table. Is F diatomic? Yep. So I got to put a 2 there. Now that I've done that, now it's time to do my circles. So I've got a Ga and I got 3 F's. That's equal to a Ga plus 2 F's. All right, my Ga is 1 and 1. That's even. I got 3 F's, 2 F's. Oh, that's an odd and an even. Remember the rule was double the first one, start all over. All right, now I got 2 Ga's. So I need another Ga. There's my 2 Ga's. 6 F's, 2 F's, so I need some more. All right, there's my final answer. So 1, 2, put a 2. 1, 2, put a 2. 1, 2, 3, put a 3. And there's the final answer for that one. All right, on to the next one. There goes my nice clean board I just made. But all right, the other one, we got KCl. Oops, not plus. And that's going to form, because this is decomposition, bring them across, tear them apart. So I get K plus Cl. I identify are either one of them diatomic. Is K diatomic? No. Is Cl diatomic? Yes. So I got to put a 2. Then I do my bubbles. So I got a K and a Cl. That's equal to 1K plus 2 Cl's. So I get 1K, 1K, 1 Cl, 2 Cl's. So I need another one of this guy. There's my 2 Cl's, but then I also need another K. There's my final answer. 1, 2, put a 2. 1, 2, put a 2. 1, leave it blank. And there's the answer for those ones. All right, so we go on to single replacement. Turn my page over. All right, single replacement, we've got Ca plus IN2O3. So to do single replacement, I got to find out the one that's all by itself, what charge would he have if he was ionic? Well, this guy would have a +2. So that means he's going to kick off the positive piece of this one. Well, this guy would have a +3. This one would have a -2. So that Ca is going to kick off the In, which is indium. So that's going to be all by itself. Now we're going to have plus the Ca joins up with the O. Don't bring any numbers across. Now we go through and look, is indium, is he diatomic? No. Iodine is, but this is not iodine, it's indium. Ca is +2, O is -2. So that's my formula for that. Now all I gotta do is now I gotta balance it. So I've got a Ca plus, I've got 2 INs, 3 O's. That's equal to an In plus a Ca, a Ca and an O. So I got one Ca, that's even. INs, 1, 2, 1, so I need another one. Then I got 3 O's, 1 O. Oh, I need some more of this. There's 2. There's 3. There's 3 O's. I need some more CA's. There we go. There's my final answer. So 1, 2, 3, put a 3. 1, leave it blank. 1, 2, put a 2. 1, 2, 3, put a 3. And there's the final answer. All right, second single replacement. This one, I will grant this one, the guy that was all by himself was positive. We're going to see what happens on the next one. So the next one we got I2 plus NABr. So we look at that one that's all by himself and go, what charge would he have if he was ionic? Well, he would be a -1, -2, what am I thinking? -1. So he's going to kick off the negative piece of this. Well, sodium's +1, Br is -1. So he's going to kick off the Br. Br is going to be all by itself. And then we're going to get Na joining up with I. And don't bring any numbers over. Now we go back and look, is Br, is he diatomic because he's all by himself? Yep. So we put a tube in him. And then these guys, he's +1, -1, so that's my formula for them. Now I just got to balance it. So I got 2 I's plus an Na and a Br. That's equal to 2 Brs plus an Na and an I. So I got 2 I's, 1 I. I need another one. There's my 2 I's. NA's, I got 1 Na, 2 Na's. I need another one. I got 2 Brs, 2 Brs. There's my final answer. So 1, leave it blank. 1, 2, put a 2. 1, leave it blank. 1, 2, put a 2. And there's the final answer for that one. All right, now we got double replacement. All right, first one. All right, so in order to do double replacement, we need to find out some charges. All right, so Mg is +2, this guy's -1. Al is +3, SO4 is -2. So these two positives are going to trade places, right? So we're going to get Al is going to join up with NO3. Oh, I brought across a number, didn't I? Don't forget, those ones from the polyatomic ion pages, or the ones that were inside of the parentheses, those come across. The ones that are outside of them do not come across. All right, that 2 actually came because this was +2. All right, so then we go Mg joins up with SO4. You still see that? Nope. Let me move this over. There we go. So Mg joined up with SO4. I put it in parentheses because remember the SO4 is from the polyatomic ion page. All right, now we got to do charges. Al is +3. This is -1. So crisscross that. I get that. Mg is +2. This is -2. So that's my formula for that one. And all we got to do is balance this. Oh, these are big ones, but just got to do them step by step. 1 Mg, I got an N and 3 O's, but I have that twice. Plus, I got 2 ALs, and then I got an S and 4 O's, but I have that 3 times. Make that equal to this. I got an AL, and then I got an N and 3 O's, but I got that 3 times. plus an Mg, an S, and 4 O's. All right, remember the rule of thumb? Start with the first element all the way over to the left, leave oxygen and hydrogen till last. So Mg is 1 Mg, 1 Mg. Sweet, that's even. N's 1, 2. Here I got 3. Oh, goodness. Well, let's see, we can't fix that. Let's go, that's an odd and even, so we double the first one, start all over. All right, so now I got 2 Mgs, so I need another Mg, we'll do that. Then we go to N's, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, over here I got 3. Now that's odd and even again. So double it, well, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna add another one. Let's see where we're at. So I got 3 Mgs, let's do another Mg over here. N's, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ooh, can I make this 6? Yes, I can. If I double this. There's my 6 N's. Sweet. All right. Skip the O's. Let's do AL's. 1, 2. This side I got 1, 2. That's good. S's. 1, 2, 3. Over here I got 1, 2, 3. Sweet. Yeah, this is looking good. O's. I got a whole bunch of them. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. I'm going to write that down. I got 30 O's. On the other side, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Shoo, good. The O's match up, so there's my final answer. So 1, 2, 3, make a 3. 1, leave it blank. 1, 2, put a 2. 1, 2, 3, put a 3. All right, based on where I'm at, I'm going to stop this and we're going to go to part number 4 because I'm running out of time again. We'll finish up the other double replacement. See you in a minute.